Okay, so this is to help you out, kind of walk through your 8-1 practice that you'll be working on today. The first thing that you're supposed to identify is the vertex, which is where it turns around. So it's in different places on the different graphs, but it's always gonna be where that graph kind of turns around. On this one, it's over 0 and it's up 1, 2, 3, 4. So my vertex is 0, 4. Then it asks, is this a maximum or minimum value? Since this one goes up and turns around and goes back down, that's the highest it goes. It is a maximum value. If it had gone down and turned around, it would be a minimum value, but this time it's maximum. My axis of symmetry is that vertical line that we talked about yesterday that goes right through my vertex. So in this case, it's just that x value right there. This one's going to be x is equal to 0. My y-intercept is where I cross the y-axis. It just so happens in this case it's also my vertex. That's not always the case. You can see on this one it's not going to be the same. But for this one, my y-intercept, 0, 4. My x-intercepts are where I cross the x-axis. I could have one of these, I could have 2 of them, or if it's off in the corner somewhere, I could have none of them. In this case, I have 2. One of them's at -2, the other one's at +2, so that's -2, 0, and +2, 0. My domain is where it goes left to right. So in this case, and in the case of all of these, my domain is actually going to be all real numbers, okay? It goes forever to the left and the right. My range is affected by whether it's going up or whether it's going down. In this case, it's going down. I have a maximum value, so it's going to be everything that's underneath that maximum value. It's going to be y is less than or equal to that maximum value up there at my vertex of 4. All the other problems on the paper should work this way. If you have any questions, ask Coach Strambler, save them for when I come back. We'll get you taken care of.